If your job search feels like it's all over the place, today I'm going to share with you one small thing that you can do that is going to make a surprisingly huge difference. Welcome to day 10 of the 12 days of job searchmas, where for 12 straight days, you receive an actionable, tangible job search tip that will help you to hit the ground running in the new year when you look for your new job. And today is extra special because I am giving away a freebie that I only share with my clients. Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm here to take your job search from stressful to successful. Now, there is one thing that most job seekers overlook when they start their job search, and that is to track their process. But you are not like most job seekers. And after today's video, you're going to realize the benefit that tracking your process has when you are looking for a job. And the first one is that you can see where you are hitting roadblocks. So often I hear people just throw up their hands and say, I can't find a job. Okay, well, that's just a symptom. What is the actual cause of that? Are you landing interviews but not landing job offers? Then you're going to need to concentrate specifically on your interviewing skills. Are you applying solely via job boards and hearing nothing back? Then you're going to need to ramp up your networking. And that's what tracking your process can do. It can help you to see those roadblocks, but more importantly, it can show you where you need to adjust and pivot. Benefit number two is that you can keep things organized. Now, let's say you're at the beginning of your job search and you are leaning heavily into networking, which is exactly what you should be doing. But you are just becoming overwhelmed with the amount of people that you're reaching out to, that you're having conversations with, that you're meeting at different events. And pretty soon you're like, okay, wait, who did I talk to? On what date? Do I still need to follow up with them? What was it that they said? And this is where, when you track your process, it's going to be a heck of a lot easier for you to stay on top of it. You can write down notes about certain things that people said. You can have a date that you should follow up with them. You can see when you spoke with somebody. It just keeps you on top of things. And when you're on top of things, you feel in more control. And that's exactly what you want to feel like when you are looking for a job. And benefit number three is that you can notice trends. When you track your process, you have both a bird's eye view and more of a microscopic view, which is great because you can see things at all angles. Let's say you're landing interviews, but you're noticing that you're only interviewing in specific types of fields. Well, if that is the field that you want to go into, then lean more into that. But if you're like, yeah, this isn't exactly what I want to go into, but for some reason I keep getting contacted about these opportunities, then that's a trend, and see where you need to make a change. Do you have to tweak your resume a little bit differently? Do you need to network in different fields? Or let's say that you are reaching out via cold emails and you're noticing that you're getting a lot higher response rate when you say something personal in the first paragraph. Well, if that's what's working, then lean into that trend and start doing that more. When you notice these things, that's what gives you the power to make a decision if that's the direction you want to go in, or if you need to change things up a bit. Now that you know the benefits of tracking your job search process, it's time for you to pick the best way for you. Some people like to use Notion, some just go with an Excel spreadsheet, and others like good old-fashioned pen and paper. If you already have a way that works for you, awesome. But if not, I actually have a freebie for you, and it is in the description below. And it is a fully customizable job search template. All you need to do is click on it and save it, and of course, use it. And that's today's action item. Go ahead and set up your own job search tracking process. And like I said, if you want a done for you template, just check out the link below. All right, I will see you over in day 11 of the 12 days of job searchmas. And if you would like to check out day 9, you can click up here.